This is Miss Brianne, and welcome back to Coding Fun with Miss Brianne. Excuse me. And this is the series where I provide brief introductions and demonstrations of all the different coding toys, games, robots, and computer software that we here have to offer in the Westhampton Free Library, as well as within my own personal collection. And for today's video, we are going to continue with our robot Coji. Now I'm going to introduce you to another game in the Coji app. So here's Coji right now. He's not powered on yet. And before I begin, I just want to let you know that Coji, as well as the Coji app, is from the company, created by the company WowWee. So, we ready to begin? Alright, so let's power on Coji. So his power button, as a reminder, is right by his head. So we're going to move that down for the to the on position. There we go. So he's awake and ready. So now I have my trusty tablet. So we're going to look for the Coji app on the tablet, and we're going to press it. So there's the Coji app. We're going to hit start. We're going to connect to Coji. I don't know, we may have some problems connecting. There's been something wrong with my Bluetooth lately. We're going to skip this. And we're going to look at today, we're going to look at the game, the Command Center. So we're going to click on that. Hold on a minute. There we go. And this gives you all these different types of commands that he can do. Now you can program him to move, like forward, backwards, turn around, have him display types of emotions. He can imitate different animals with this tab. He can demonstrate different vehicles, different types of food and other objects. And demonstrate excitement if he wins anything. So let's program him to move forward. If I can. So we're going to have him move forward. Hold on a minute. Oh, there we go. Forward, then backward. And we press the green envelope button right over here, and let's see what happens. So he moved forward a little bit, and then he moved backward. Let's have him move a little bit more. So, forward twice. It's acting a little crazy. And then backward twice. Let's see if he moves a little bit more, and then we'll press the green send button here. Here we go. So he moved a little bit more. So we'll keep the forward and backwards. We'll have him circle. Then we'll have him circle. And let's see what else happens. Alright. There we go. So we have that. So we'll have him circled, then we'll do a little firework. And maybe give him a silly face. Now let's see what he does now. All right. Let's move him a little bit closer. Now let's do let's see what the bomb does after that. All right, let's send the program. right. So let's add one more. Let's see what happens. Let's make him celebrate with a party. And then we'll press the green send button. All right. So that's basically how you use Command Center to program Coji. And you can program Coji however you want. There's a lot of, the options are endless. But in any event, I hope you enjoyed this demonstration of Command Center. I certainly enjoyed it, and in our next Coding Craze video, I'm going to show you the final thing, or the final game on the app. So this will the next Coding Fun video will be the last Coji video. So I'm looking forward to seeing you guys there, but until then, this is Miss Brianne saying take good care of yourselves, have a great day, and I'll see you soon.